Creating a Kindle ebook using the Designrr website is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video, I will be telling you exactly how you guys can do it. So these are some of the steps that we're gonna discuss in this video, and I will tell you a brief description of all these things. So first thing is creating an account on Designrr.io. I will be providing that link in the description below, so guys can check it out. So once you're signed up, just log in with your account. Then we will start a new project, then choose your content source, import your content, select the template, customize and format your ebook, add images and enhancements, review and finalize it, and export as Kindle ebook. And then we will upload it to Kindle Direct Publishing, which is KDP. So first thing is, when you go to the Design RR, we have to click on Create a New Project and write your topic. For example, here you will see that this is the interface that you will see, and just enter your topic or niche into it. So next step is choosing your sub niches. For example, if we're gonna go and upload it for something like Apple Watches, then we're gonna upload include the sub niches as Apple Watch or Apple apps or Apple Music or something like that. And the next step is enter. You have to select the targeted audience in here. For example, here you guys can see that the screenshot says that what audience is your ebook targeted towards. For example, real estate agents, restaurant owners, parents, etc. Or you can even enter the age, for example, men over 40 years, so something like that. And then at the end, all you have to do is to review your ebook after doing all these steps. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this really helpful. Take care. Bye bye.